Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
Do you remember a taste in your childhood memory? The sauce was rich with many beef slices and lots of vegetable slices too. It is very good when serving with rice. This is Russian beef with rice in Hong Kong style. First, chop the garlic. It is better to chop or smash it into small size or even paste. It brings the delicious flavors to the sauce. Half the red bell pepper. After removing the stems and seeds, we can slice the bell pepper. If you prefer the bell pepper to look nicer, we can remove the inner white core of the bell pepper, or even remove both ends of it. This helps to remain the slice in a straight and perfect shape. If you're not too demanding on the look of veggie, you can still keep the end parts to avoid wastage. For such big green pepper, using half of it will be enough. Let's take away the stem and seeds again and then slice. Remove the two ends of onion, cut in half, remove the skin and slice. After slicing those three ingredients, I introduce you another important ingredient. It is pickled cucumber. The taste of Western cucumber pickles is the key ingredient of making this dish. You'll realize the amazing result after adding this ingredient. Let's cut into tiny pieces and then slice again. When 4 slices are ready, we can handle the stick now. I use salon this time. You can freeze it before cutting, in order to have the slice in a good and tidy shapes. Remove the fat of the steak. And slice again. You can choose a steak which is cheaper in price when making this dish. We can add half teaspoon of soda powder to tenderize the meat if the steak is too tough or chewy. Now we can marinate the steak. Light soy sauce, sugar, potato starch, oil, water. Marinate the meat for 15 minutes. You can use chicken or beef broth for the sauce base. For a more convenient way, we can use ox stock cubes. Mix well with hot water. Heat the oil. Add the steak slices. Fry the beef in high heat. No need to stir vigorously, just let the beef receive the heat. Remember, the flavor which sticks on the pan surface is the most delicious part. Therefore, I will keep the flavor and fried onion. Add garlic. Stir fry until the fragrance comes out. Fry the ingredients quickly. Add red and green bell pepper and stir. Add canned mushroom slices. Using canned mushroom is the characteristic of cooking Hong Kong-style Western cuisine. Therefore, I intend to use the canned one instead of the fresh mushrooms. Add tomato paste too. The delicious sour comes from the tomato paste. Let's fry the paste thoroughly. Add adequate oil if needed in order to let the aroma release out. Then add flour. You can add flour in a few times and fry thoroughly until it turns to this texture. You realize that lots of ingredients are needed to be fried one by one in this dish. This is the reason that I suggest you to fry each ingredient in a rapid way. If the frying process takes too long, the vegetables will lose their crunchiness, then the dish will be spoiled. Add adequate oil if needed. After frying flour, it is time to add beef broth. Add the broth in 2 times. Add the broth according to the thickness of the sauce to avoid the sauce from becoming too watery. You can see the sauce thickens after the flour dissolves into the broth. We then add the most crucial ingredients, the beef and pickled cucumber slices. As it belongs to the Hong Kong-style soy sauce Western cuisine, of course, some soy sauce will be added in the last seasoning steps. Add sugar too to balance the sour from pickle and tomato paste. Bring it to the boil again. To level up the taste, I will use the old method. It is to add some evaporated milk to make the sauce more creamy. Nowadays, there are more choices. You can add sour cream or Greek yogurt instead. Do the tasting. The Russian beef with rice in Hong Kong style is ready now.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by.
It is very easy to make such delicious classic dish. I believe it is my duty to inherit the classic dish to our youngsters, and I will keep working hard on it.
And it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say